You're still unsure about gravity, are you? Alright. Let's do that. According to the mainstream narrative, gravity created everything. Some would say that for the heliocentric model, gravity is their god. With a little g, of course. But does the story of gravity really make sense? Or is it a bunch of pseudoscientific nonsense that could easily be debunked with a little bit of logic? Let's dig in. If you were to believe in the mainstream narrative, you would have to believe that gravity is caused by mass. They say that the mass of an object bends and warps the fabric of space-time, and this causes objects with mass to attract other objects with mass. However, there is a very obvious flaw in this model. This flaw starts all the way back at the Big Bang. They say that nothing compressed into a singularity and exploded outwards to create everything. The fact that the people who are trying to sell you on this model will tell you that they know what happened 1 second after the explosion should be enough for any reasonable person to question the validity of this story. But let's use some logic to discredit this narrative, and I'll let you decide. So-called theory of gravity is mass attracting mass. If that's the case, what gravity caused gases and dust to form galaxies, stars, planets, and more? I mean, if stars, planets, and other massive objects cause gravity, what gravity caused these objects to form? Elements that came flying out of the Big Bang were moving faster than the speed of light. Energy that was produced under the Big Bang far supersedes the gravity of dust and gas particles. So exactly how did dust or gas particles collect other dust and gas particles to form gravity? Just think about it. These objects are expanding outwards in all directions at the speed of light. They would all be moving away from each other because the universe is allegedly expanding in all directions. So how could a dust particle supersede the energy produced by the Big Bang to collect other dust particles to create gravity? That's putting the chicken before the egg. Gases expand outwards in all directions. The only way globe people say it's possible to have these gases in a vacuum is because of gravity. But before the gas molecules collected, what gravity caused these molecules to collect? Only thing you need to see through their deception is a little common sense. Please just think logically about what they expect you to believe. Ask yourself, how could gravity be the effect caused by massive objects bending and warping space, but still exist before those massive objects were ever massive objects? If gravity only exists because these massive objects are bending and warping the space-time around it, but gravity caused gas and dust particles to form entire solar systems. The globe is dead. Wakey wakey. I love you.